Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on PC. The most effective way to enjoy this popular battle royale game on your desktop is by utilizing an Android emulator. These powerful software tools create a virtual mobile environment directly on your computer, enabling you to download and run PUBG Mobile just as you would on a smartphone or tablet. This method offers a significant advantage, providing a larger display and superior control for an immersive gaming experience. Selecting the right emulator is crucial for a smooth experience. Top choices include GameLoop, which is officially optimized for Tencent games, BlueStacks, known for its broad compatibility, and Nox Player, offering many customization options. After choosing, download the installer from the official website to avoid any security risks. Once downloaded, simply install the software, then log in with your Google account to gain access to the Google Play Store, just like on a new Android device. Once the game is installed, the next step is to set up your controls. Emulators provide intuitive mapping tools to assign keyboard keys for movement, actions, and mouse clicks for aiming and shooting. It's also vital to optimize your in-game graphics settings. Lowering settings like shadow quality or resolution can significantly improve frame rates on less powerful machines. Always check that your computer's specifications meet or exceed the recommended requirements for a seamless gameplay experience. Playing PUBG Mobile on your personal computer truly elevates the gaming experience. You'll gain a distinct competitive advantage with the precision of a mouse for aiming and the quick responsiveness of a keyboard for movement. The larger screen real estate also provides a much more immersive view of the battlefield, making it easier to spot enemies and appreciate the game's detailed environments. Remember to keep both your emulator and the game updated to access the latest features and performance enhancements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.